Every time a student logs into a learning portal, submits an assignment online, or simply connects a phone to the campus Wi-Fi, they leave a data footprint. Today's educational environment is a massive, highly connected digital ecosystem. For decades, school safety meant locked doors, perimeter fences, and teachers monitoring the physical hallways. But in a connected ecosystem, the vulnerabilities are completely borderless. This creates a new reality. When a network is attacked or a student is in crisis, the first warning sign is rarely a physical event. This shifts the burden of initial detection directly to the school's IT and cybersecurity personnel. They operate as digital first responders, stepping out of the traditional background tech support role to man the front lines of defense. Recognizing an invisible digital anomaly early is now exactly as critical to predicting and preventing a campus threat as spotting a physical altercation in the cafeteria. On any given school day, a typical IT dashboard lights up with a relentless volume of automated digital warning signs. The team constantly monitors for external attack vectors, filtering through incoming malware warnings and sophisticated phishing emails targeting staff credentials. They also track internal anomalies. This could be a student account attempting to log in from 2 different countries at the exact same time, or a sudden spike in unauthorized file access. But an alert is just a signal. A string of failed logins might be a brute force cyber attack, or it might just be a student who forgot their new password. This illustrates contextual verification. IT teams act as digital investigators, cross-referencing logs and device history to filter thousands of raw data points down to legitimate threats. By stripping away harmless noise, this ensures schools prevent unwarranted surveillance or false accusations from a single glitch. The initial value of a cybersecurity team lies in their ability to actively prevent institutional panic over harmless anomalies, just as much as it lies in finding the real dangers. When a threat is confirmed as legitimate, the team moves into immediate technical triage. They isolate infected computers from the main network and instantly disable compromised user accounts. Simultaneously, they block access to malicious external websites to stop the threat from spreading to other devices across the campus. Once the immediate technical bleeding is stopped, the focus shifts to a critical administrative step, securely preserving the digital evidence left behind. Looking at this redacted security incident report, you can see exactly what technical data is documented to understand the event. The team captures precise timestamps, network logs, and screenshots of the isolated incident. All of this data preservation must be executed under strict adherence to established school policy and applicable student privacy laws. Handling this evidence responsibly turns a chaotic, invisible cyber incident into a concrete, legal record. The administration can then use that record to safely resolve the issue and patch the vulnerability. There is an ultimate limitation to all of this cybersecurity infrastructure. Technology can clearly show you exactly what happened on a network, but it cannot explain the human why behind a student's actions. This creates observational silos. The IT department sees the technical signals, while a teacher might only see a shift in classroom behavior, leaving everyone with just a fragment of a student's reality. To break down these silos, this flowchart shows responsible escalation. The IT team pushes verified technical data to the school safety team. Here, that data merges with human context. Teachers and counselors connect their classroom insights with IT alerts, forming a complete, actionable picture. The IT team's responsibility ends at escalating technical warnings through established procedures. They do not independently investigate students or monitor the campus population without cause. Detecting a digital threat early is only the first step. A truly safe digital school requires combining that technical detection with open human communication, allowing the technology, people, and processes to protect the campus together.